Welcome to the Seville Reports Weekly Recap, where we touch on some news that occurred during the week that affected the stock market. Let's get into it. On Monday, news outlets reported that GoPro is exploring a sale of the company. CNBC reported GoPro hired JP Morgan to handle the company's sale. This comes after GoPro shut down its Karma drone division and laid off hundreds of employees. GoPro went public back in June 2014, and the stock ran from $30 a share to $98 a share in under 4 months. Since hitting the $98 high, the stock has declined, never coming close to the $98 high it achieved in 2014. Personally, I think cell phone cameras getting better and the reality of people not upgrading action cameras like they do cell phones is what doomed GoPro. Hopefully they'll be able to turn it around. On Tuesday, we saw Kodak and Win Digital announce the Kodak coin, a cryptocurrency for photographers. Kodak stock jumped 60% on the news. The Kodak coin will help photographers gain greater control over their rights to their images. The Kodak coin will use the blockchain technology. And speaking of cryptocurrencies, Warren Buffett stated on Wednesday to CNBC that with almost certainty cryptocurrencies will come to a bad ending. The interview, which aired Wednesday morning, didn't have that big of an impact on Bitcoin as it did rally in the morning. However, in the afternoon, Bitcoin experienced a heavy pullback. For the day before, JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon, who once declared Bitcoin as a fraud, backed off of his original statement saying he regrets calling it a fraud and stating that the blockchain is real. Friday, Mark Zuckerberg announced that Facebook plans to help users have more meaningful social interactions and deprioritize content from businesses, brands, and media. This sent the stock sliding. Wall Street expects Facebook to take in less advertising dollars as the company puts the focus back on its users. Facebook is still a young company in the grand scheme of things, and this is just a tweak to the platform. While I have my concerns about Facebook as an investment, I've learned not to bet against Mark Zuckerberg. Looking into next week, earnings season is here. JP Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, and BlackRock are a few of the companies that reported on Friday. JP Morgan beat expectations, Wells Fargo missed on revenue expectations, and BlackRock beat revenue expectations. A few major companies scheduled to report earnings next week are Goldman Sachs, IBM, American Express, and General Electric. We definitely look forward to hearing what GE has been up to and what the company has planned for the future. A major winner from the week, Atara Biotherapeutics, ticker symbol ATRA. The stock was up 54% on news that Atara Biotherapeutics announces FDA clearance to proceed with enrollment at U.S. sites for ongoing global phase 1 clinical study to evaluate ATA188 in patients with progressive or relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis. Loser of the week, GameStop, ticker symbol GME. The stock dropped 11% in pre-market trading on Friday after the company reported that it would take impairment charges of $350 to $400 million related to its technology brands. For the week, the Dow closed at 25,803, up almost 2% from last week. S&P closed at 2786, up 1.5%, and the Nasdaq closed at 7261, up 1.7%. Something to keep an eye on moving forward is the price of crude oil. It closed the week at $64.41 per barrel. Crude oil has struggled to stay above $50 a barrel since the early 2015. We could be seeing a slow grind back up to $100 a barrel. Thank you for checking out our weekly wrap-up. This channel and website is dedicated to people who are curious about investing or want to start investing but aren't sure how or where to start. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you want to find out more, check out our website, SevilleReport.com. And if you're looking for solid investment ideas, check out our quarterly newsletter, The Seville Report. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and may your next investment be your best investment.